Good morning, students. I am Snigdha, your computer teacher. Today we will start that advanced GIMP tools, that we will continue that chapter. Last day I had told you about the creating, moving the layers. How will you create the different layers? How will you move upward and behind or forward of one layer to another? So these things we have seen last day. Today we will do layer masking. Okay, so let's start. And it's very important that you do it at your home, otherwise you can't understand. And if you get any problem in practical, then you ask me in comment box. Okay, so let's start. So let's start game. Today layer masking we will see. Okay, so for that, first you start the game, click on start button, and then you have to click on the game 2.10.18. so if you have GIMP, then it's okay. And if GIMP is not there in your computer, then you first download it, install, and then you do the work. Okay, so let us see how to do the layer masking. First you have to open two images. First image, simply first you have to click on the file menu, just like this, file menu, and then click on open. Okay, so here any one you can open. So just for example, I am taking this lake, and then click on open. So this is your lake image. One image has opened. Now we have to open the second image. So for that, again first you go to the file menu and then open as layers, and then select the layer, select the image, which image you want. Okay, so just for example, I am taking living room. Anyone you can take, and then click on open. Okay, so now you have to start the layer mask. So you can see here two layers are there. Okay, so first you click on this layer mask. If you will click on this, you can change here. Just double click on that living room and then change the name of this. Suppose I am giving this mask or layer mask. Okay, so I have given here layer masking. Now click on OK. So you can see here this layer masking is changed the name. Okay, here you can see the name is changed, layer masking. Now right click on this layer masking. Okay, and then add layer mask. So here is given, see add layer mask dialog box is opened. So white or black, anyone you can take. So suppose first white I have selected, and then click on add. Okay, so now here on the image, you have to click on the first, right click, and then click on add, like right click, add layer mask, and then you have to click on the white or black, anyone, and then add. Then you have to click on the pen brush. So from here you have to click on the pen brush tool. Okay, so which type of brush you want, you just select that. If you want to change the brush size, then also you can change. Now you have to click over here. Which portion you want, you just select first. You can see here that first layer is coming over here. Okay, so in this way you can change the first layer, you can merge the two layers, first and second. Okay, and you can create a new image with the help of these two images. So this is called layer masking. Is it clear? So this one is layer masking. So we have, you can see here, we have created a new layer through combining two or more pictures. So that is called layer masking. That means layer masking is the process of masking or covering some parts of a layer. Okay, covering some parts of a layer so that you are able to create a final image. So here we have seen that two images are here. One is a lake and second one is a drawing room, living room, and this two images I have taken and I have created a new image with the help of this two image. So that is layer masking. So I hope all of you understood. Is it clear for you? Again I am showing you. I am closing it. First you go to the file, then you go to the open, and then any one you can select from here. Okay, and then click here. Suppose first this one I have taken, and second image is file, open as layer, and then any one you take, open. Okay, two images I have opened. Here you can see the two images. Okay, two layers are there. Now right click on the first layer and go to the add alpha channel. Okay, and then you go to the add layer mask. So which one you want? Last time we have seen white, now I am showing you through the black. So black full transparency, this is white full opacity. So now add. Okay, now you just click on that eraser tool. Okay, now which portion you want, you just click on that. So suppose this portion you want. You want to show this tower, so you can show in this way, you can show. Okay, so this one is layer masking. So I have created, you have seen that I have created a new image with the help of these two images. Okay, so this is called layer masking. Okay, so you do it at practice at your home, then you can do. If you have any problem, then you write down in the comment box. I will show you again if you have a problem. Okay, don't worry about that. So, and if you can do, then also you write in the comment box. कि you have done. Okay, so next day I will show you how will you delete the background of the image. Suppose this is the image, this one, and you want to show only this tower, other portion you want to delete. Means suppose you want to change it in white background and only this tower you want to show. So that thing, how will you do? That means how will you remove the background of the image? So that is through the quick mask that we will see next day. So that's all for today. Thank you.